charged with criminal sexual acts in the first degree, attempted rape in the first degree, sexual abuse in the first degree, unlawful imprisonment in the second degree, sexual abuse in the third degree.
From France, an international figure. As a result, he's a man. The defendant restrained a hotel employee inside of his room. He sexually assaulted her and attempted to forcibly rape her. When he was unsuccessful, he forced her to perform oral sex on him. As a result, he's charged with 2 counts of criminal sexual act in the first degree, which is a Class B violent felony offense, 1 count of attempted rape in the first degree, which is a Class C violent felony, 1 count of sexual abuse in the first degree, which is a D violent felony, and 3 misdemeanor sex crime offenses. If convicted, he faces substantial prison time on each of these. As I mentioned, a maximum of 25 years. In detail, he has almost no incentive to stay in this country, and every incentive and resource with which to leave it. The people believe that the defendant
that he denies these charges, that he is presumed innocent under the law, something which I did not hear at all coming from the people's position, and he is presumed innocent, and indeed this is a very defensible case. There are significant issues that we have already found simply with preliminary investigation that in our judgment makes it quite likely that he might ultimately be exonerated.
John A. McConnell and Daniel Alonso.
With respect to his fleeing the hotel, it's simply inaccurate, and again, it comes from inaccuracies because of their rush to do this investigation. The record will reflect that he was in the vicinity of the hotel for several hours before fleeing to the hotel after checking out. And the reason he was rushing is because he had a luncheon appointment, and the person who he had lunch with would be able to testify to that. So this theory that he ran out of the hotel and ran to the airport to run away is simply not true.
During that exam, corroborate her account. The crime scene unit from the New York Police Department also processed the hotel room. The defendant's lack of ties to the jurisdiction and the powerful means and incentive that he has to flee, the people believe fully justifies our request for remand.
All right, this court is going to remand the defendant for grand jury actions, Part F, May 14th.
Your Honor,
Are you serving cross grand jury?
yes, I am serving cross grand jury notice. We are obviously disappointed by the court's decision. I think it's important that you all understand that this battle has just begun. We believe and will prove in our judgment that Mr. Strauss-Kahn is innocent of these charges. We think this case is very defensible. We do not believe he has any intention of ever fleeing the jurisdiction. His principal intention is to try and clear his name and reestablish his good name.
Thanks.